Hey guys, so half a year ago I did a video on my electric Mountainboard build. I've done quite a lot of upgrades on it, so I wanted to go over the improvements that I've done. And I have to say, at this point I'm very satisfied with this build. In the state it's in, it's really great for what I need when riding around. First thing I did was upgrade the drives. So I've upgraded them to E-TOXX drives. So here you can see the E-TOXX drives. They've been absolutely great. If you want to do jumping, gear drives are really a must, because when you jump a lot you might be able to break some belts, and gears are just a lot stronger. I would recommend getting the helical gears, the E-TOXX helicals, because those are a bit stronger and they're also more silent, so if you enjoy nature, it's not as loud. I got a 4-to-1 E-TOXX drive, which gets me to about 60 kilometers an hour, which is pretty crazy for a mountain board. I mostly use this board off-road, but I have to say the speed is really great. I'm really starting to like the speed on this thing. So now I have enough torque for off-roading, but I also have plenty of speed on the road. And even though I'm not using any dampas in the front truck, the trucks have been pretty stable for me. I've had some speed wobble sometimes, it's a little speed wobble when I hit a pothole, but on general the board is really stable, and especially with the wider stands now, with the concave pads, it's easier to control and make sure that you don't fall when you get speed wobble. Also, I've upgraded the enclosure, so I've got a Oakley strongbox, which I modified, and it's really a great enclosure. It's really good looking in my opinion. I just took the old battery, so it's still the 12S 6P. I've got some new VESCs, the NEOBOX V6. So those are VESC 6 hardware. They've been running great. I did some upgrades on it because the quality control wasn't as great, so I upgraded some things. But since I've got them, they have been running absolutely great, to be honest. And I have to say the VESC 6 is also a great improvement over the VESC 4 hardware. So let's go over some more things I upgraded on the board. So I've got this Sabre Dynamics premium Loopkey, and I'm also using Sabre Dynamics Sabre blades. So these are pretty much concave pads which are added onto the deck. And these two things are from Sabre Dynamics. And to elaborate on that, about 2 months ago I started my own company. I founded the company pretty much to develop myself, but also as a hobby for e-skate, 3D printing, machining. Basically, and the goal of Sabre Dynamics is to make some high quality parts, some cool things. And recently I've been working on building my own CNC machine. So that has been going pretty well. But had some delays, so I'm waiting for parts. But I hope I can finish it soon and deliver some cool parts for light electric vehicles, and especially mountain boards. I will put a 5% discount code in the description, and you can use it on the website. And when you purchase something, you will get a discount. Also, when I hit 100 subscribers, I will give away a set of Sabre blades. So stay tuned for that. I will be giving away a whole set of concave pads. I'm excited to make some parts with the CNC soon and add them on and show you guys some cool things. If you have any questions, put it in the comments down below. And I think it's time to get riding again. So let's get on the board and get going.